Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, my dear students, welcome to our online session mathematics. Our today's topic is convert metric units of length. These are in pages 858 and 859. Please first of all open page number 858. In this page we have to do some conversion. In question number 1, 5 meter, we have to change it into centimeter. cm for centimeter, m for meter. Please keep it in mind that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We are changing 5 meter into centimeter. 5 multiplied by 100 is 500 centimeter. In number 2, 9,000 meter, we have to change it in kilometer. When we are changing meter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. We will divide 9,000 meter by 1000. We will get 9 kilometers. Next is 3. 700 centimeter is equal to dash meter. When we want to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. So 700 divided by 100 is 7. Next is number 4. 8,500 mm means millimeter is equal to 8.5 meter. See the working in the second line. 8,500 divided by 1,000, because 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeter. We will get it 8.5 meter. We will write this in the given place. In number 5, 15 kilometer is given. We have to convert it into meter. You know well that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now we will multiply 15 by 1000. We will get it 15,000 meter, right? In number 6, you can see that 73,000 meter is equal to how much kilometer? We will divide 73,000 by 1000. We will get 73,000. Finally, in number 6, 73,000 meter is equal to 73 kilometer. 7. 2.71 meter is equal to 2710 millimeter. M for meter and mm for millimeter. You can see the working in the second line. 2.71 multiplied by 1000, you will get 2710 millimeters. After that, 8, 9.2 meter, we want to change it into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to, you know well, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we are multiplying 9.2 by 100, we will get 920 centimeter. Number 9, 17.5 millimeter. You have to change it in centimeter. See the working. 17.5 divided by 10, we will get 1.75 centimeter. There is also number 10. Number 10 is 0.509 kilometer is equal to how much meter? I already told you that if you want to convert kilometer into meter, you have to multiply by 1000. 0.509 multiplied by 1000, it will be 509 meters. In number 11, you have to complete the conversion and you have to decide either it is small, big or equal. 30 centimeter is one side and other side is 300 millimeter. We will convert centimeter into millimeter and then we will decide they are same or greater or lesser. 30 centimeter multiplied by 10, you will get 3000 millimeter. So both the sides are same. You will change centimeter into millimeter, you will get 300 millimeter, and other side is already 300 millimeter. It means both are equal. You will put it equal sign. In number 12, 4.8 kilometer and other side is 4800 meter. Now we are going to change 4.8 kilometer into meter. We will multiply by 1000. We will get 4800 meter. It means both sides are same. 4800 millimeter is given, and other side you will change 4.8 kilometer, you will get the same answer. So they are equal. Number 13, 25 millimeter and other side is 3 centimeter. We will change centimeter into millimeter by multiplying 10. You will get 30 millimeter. 3 centimeter is equal to 30 millimeter and other side is 25 millimeter. We can say that 3 centimeter is greater than 25 millimeter. Why? Because it is equal to 30 millimeter. 14, 9 kilometer, other side is 8500 meter. Now we are going to change kilometer into meter. 9 multiplied by 1000 is 9000 meter and other side is 8500 meter. We can say that 9 kilometer is greater than 8500 meter. Now number 15, 1.5 meter and other side is 145 centimeter. We will change meter into centimeter by multiplying 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter multiplied by 100 is equal to 150 centimeter. So 1.5 is greater. 1.5 meter is greater than 145 centimeter. You can see the working on the second line and decide. The last number is 16. 17 meter is greater than 116 centimeter. Please see the working. We are going to change meter into centimeter by multiplying 100. That is 1700 centimeter. So 17 meter is greater than 116 centimeter. Now homework. In page number 861, you have some questions. That is question from question 1 to 8. You will use the same method and complete it accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Salam.